Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 8th to 22nd. First, we're going to talk about the impending low-pressure system to bring snow to the portion of the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. We're going to go here to tomorrow morning. You see, here's the low still down here. Then we go forward. This is the GFS. And we start seeing snow breaking out across from the Tennessee Valley into Ohio Valley and parts of Pennsylvania. That's 7 o'clock at night. And at 7 a.m. on Friday, 7 a.m. on Friday, the system starts to end. So it's going to be a quick mover. We're looking at maybe a 6-hour period of snowfall. And the low is forecast to deepen along. It's forecast to develop along an Arctic front down here across the south. And moderate snow is forecast with the front. And then snow will break out through the southeast on Thursday. Heavy snow expected to develop across the Tennessee Valley into the Central Appalachians, with some ice further to the north and south. As the low moves off the Mid-Atlantic coast, it will deepen fairly rapidly, and accumulating snow will spread into the Mid-Atlantic, as you see right here. And the exact amounts will depend on the exact track and intensity of the storm. But right now, we're looking for, like, I would say 3 to 6 inches from the big cities, from Philadelphia to Boston. I think this will be mostly a coastal event. So the highest amounts would be along the coast and to the south, across southern New Jersey, southward into Virginia. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for January 8th to the... Oh, wait, I want to show you this. This is the ensemble means, and we're going to show what the computer models are showing. And you can still see we have a few, they're starting to converge on an idea, but you can see we have some that are still not agreeing further to the south and east. Some are closer to the west, some are further north. So we have to see how this develops. This is on Friday morning. This is developing on early Friday morning, and then it starts to head out. And another thing I want to take a look at, this will be the... the National Snow Map as of today, I think it is. Yeah, as of today, most snow here to the north, and this area here from the heavy storm that we got earlier in the week across the southern Mid-Atlantic region. All right. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 8th to the 12th. We're still expecting a ridge to build into the west, trough here that slides into the east. And we go to the end of the period, we come to the 12th. We don't see much change. And during this period, we're expecting a moist flow ahead of a frontal boundary to cause locally heavy rain from parts of the south and Tennessee Valley this weekend. Here we are on Saturday. Here it starts developing here. And then we go into Sunday. You start seeing a lot of precipitation here, mixed precipitation further inland across the northeast and mid-Atlantic. And then this will be followed by another surge of cold air next week with the warming trend across most of the plains thereafter. We're going to look at the period now for January 13th to the 17th. And during this period, we're expecting a ridge in the west, trough in the east, and we have positive height anomalies start moving towards Greenland. You see it start moving towards Greenland here. So, all in all, forecasting for this period, above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures of forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now looking at the period for January 18th to 22nd. Regions forecast of the west, trough in the east. Positive height anomalies here across the north. Here's our ridge, here's our trough. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, with anomalies near 8 degrees above normal, mainly here from the warming trend that has developed behind the Arctic cold front or behind the Arctic air mass. And calling for below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 8th to the 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.